we got like the Family Business Awards for the Hartford Business Journal. It's pretty freaking cool.
Yeah, the back against the bushes seems to be the place to take pictures.
It's super pretty over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, the whole garden's really
Do I need to
nice.
stand in a way that's like hold my glass like this?
And I think our firm speaks to family. Like it's who we are.
So it's the Hartford Business Journal's Family Business Awards.
I like how they have the bacon on the salad bar. You know what no one's thought of? Bacon on the pasta from the pasta bar. Think about it. Recognize the McKean?
So it's about family-owned businesses. So because Ryan and Allison are both there together.
Catching us taking it in. Should we walk over by these flowers and be enchanted with one another?
I wish I could express it. One of the best things we've ever done in our life was raise that child from where he was born to where he's at today.
And because Andrew and Papa Taco both work at the business together, so they're considered a family-owned business.
Taking the #1 spot in our less than 25 full-time employees category is Connecticut Trial Firm LLC.
Good job. You guys did a good job.
It actually means a lot. Like family's at the core of what we do and who we are. Our clients tell us we're like family. Our team tells us we're like family, and it's because we are.